The World Cup is here, and today we're doing something a little different. Instead of just watching the action, we're going to create it. I'm talking AI-generated World Cup content that looks so good you won't believe it took minutes to make. We're using EaseMate AI, a completely free, all-in-one AI platform. With this powerful tool, you won't need to swap to any other tools or websites. And specifically, two of its most powerful tools, GPT-Image 2 and Seedance 2.0. Let's get into it. All right, here we see a clean and organized layout with all the tools in the header. We have a lot of options to choose from. AI chat with a lot of models to swap between. AI study tools to help with homework and boost your general creativity. Photo tools to generate your dream image and bring it to life. Some video tools to take your image and make it into a dynamic video, or create a video with a simple prompt. We also got some general AI tools. Let's try to create an image. There is a preset prompt already. However, I want to write my own and use the prompt enhancer feature. Okay, it improved on the prompt quite a lot. Select the aspect ratio, the quality of the image, and press Generate. And within 2 minutes, our image is generated and ready to go. Let's give the video generation a try now. I got an image here that I want to turn into a video. Upload it and choose the aspect ratio if you want it to be for long-form or short-form content. We can also change the quality and have up to 1080p and change the duration as well. Let's hit Generate. And in less than a minute, our video is ready to go. The results are stunning and looks pretty realistic. One last thing I want to try is the AI homework tools. Let's see how useful this would have been if I were still in school or university. I'll be trying the Math Assistant first. I got my question. Upload it, click on the screenshot, and then Get Answer. Yeah, this is quite impressive. It didn't just solve the equation, it showed a step-by-step detailed process to get the answer. But I'm not done yet. I still have a physics problem that needs solving. Same process again, and hit Get Answer. And we get a very similar output, a fast answer, detailed explanation of the work, and how we got from the first step to the last step. And that's the power of EaseMate AI. One free platform, endless creative possibilities. Whether it's World Cup content, personal projects, or anything else your imagination throws at it, GPT-Image 2 and Seedance 2.0 are genuinely in a league of their own. The link to EaseMate AI is in the description. It's free to get started, no excuses. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe because we've got a lot more AI content like this coming your way.